As we know that worldwide everyone is very keen on the dispute happenings between India and China. Very often we keep getting some or the other updates regarding China's strange behaviors across the border and even in the Indian Ocean region. In today's video, we would be discussing the important facts about the happenings within Indian Defence Force and the border security related changes. So let's begin with the list. China's military pressure all along the disputed boundary is clearly becoming in favor of India due to support from other countries like United States, Japan and Australia. In the Cold War between China and America, India has emerged as a frontline state, and this is a good strong point for India. According to the defense sources, United States is planning to train the fighter pilots of India, Japan and Australia due to China's growing dominance in the Indo-Pacific region. Yes, the United States is contemplating to open its training facility at the Andersen Air Force Base in Guam in Western Pacific Ocean for the fighter jet pilots of India, Japan and Australia. Coming to the next update, with Army Chief General M.M. Narawane briefing the top political leadership about the operational situation in eastern Ladakh, the defense establishment is reasonably confident that its total combat potential now deployed in the region will deter any offensive thrust or major disadventure from the China. The other update is that with India deploying thousands of additional troops backed by tanks, infantry combat vehicles and howitzers in the region, the Indian Air Force fighters like Sukhoi 30 MKI and MiG-29s regularly patrolling the skies makes us to feel that we are well poised in the forward areas with a strong military posture with more troops and weaponry positioned in the depth areas. Another very important update from the Indian Navy side is that the Indian Navy has concluded a contract for the indigenously developed Marich Advanced Torpedo Decoy System, which is capable of being fired from all frontline warships. With this, the anti-submarine warfare capability of the Indian Navy has received a major boost, and the design and development of the Marich anti-torpedo decoy system was undertaken indigenously by the Naval Science and Technological Laboratory and the Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory. Bharat Electronics Limited, which is a state-owned company under the Ministry of Defence, will undertake the production of this particular decoy system. The prototype of the Marich system was installed on board a naval platform and had successfully completed all user evaluation trials and demonstrated the features as per the naval staff qualifications requirements. The Marich Advanced Torpedo Defense System is a torpedo detection and countermeasure system that offers a complete solution to detect and locate an incoming torpedo and to apply the countermeasures to protect the naval platform against any such attacks. So that was all about the recent happenings on the Indian Defence Forces. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.